Just last week, DoorDash announced, quote, more ways to earn with DoorDash. And in this video, I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to get into this announcement. If it's actually new, spoiler, it's not. Is this actually going to help you make more money, including one very simple strategy to determine if it's actually worth it? If you are a DoorDash dasher, if you drive for Uber Eats, Grubhub, or any side hustle app, make sure to check out our team storefront linked down below as well for the best accessories. So again, just announced on DoorDash's official blog, the title stating, introducing ultra-fast deliveries and new opportunities for local businesses. And again, there it is, more ways to earn with DoorDash. So this official blog post was announcing DashMart locations, specifically in the New York City marketplace. But here's the thing, if you're not in New York City, it doesn't matter, this still applies to you. That's because we need to determine if this whole DashMart thing, which actually, again, this isn't new, this was announced just last week in December of 2021, but if you didn't know, DashMarts were initially introduced to DoorDash in August of 2020. So this is in essence just in-house convenience store pickups, and it does support local businesses, as DoorDash states. So if a restaurant, let's say, has their own salsa, or just a bodega in New York City, that's the example that they gave, for supplies, daily essentials, etc., customers can order from these shops and local stores, and you'll pick it up as a dasher. Now, one important thing to consider here is a lot of times these DashMart pickups, it's stated to just take 10 to 15 minutes. DashMarts on their own, they're not new. For example, this is an order request that I got in December of 2020, shortly after this was introduced at large, this in San Diego. So we can see it's pretty much like your standard order request. We'll get an estimated drop-off time. You get the counter to decide if you want to accept or decline this order request. It's stated clearly it is a DashMart request. We have a 4-item pickup in this example, 12.3 miles. So you do have the predicted route duration as far as the mileage here. And then of course your expected payout. So here's the thing. Here's the reason why I wanted to talk to you about this today. So we're seeing DashMarts opening in one of the biggest marketplaces in New York City. We're seeing this announcement featured on the front page of their newsroom. And I'm seeing it on the ground level here in a medium, we'll say, marketplace here in Pittsburgh. So this might be something that you're seeing more of as a DoorDash dasher going into 2022. Now, what I want you to do is comment down below if you have experience with the DashMart runs, because like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there is only one thing you need to be aware of when you get these requests. Now, I don't care if it's a Walmart pickup, if it's a fast food restaurant, if it's a local restaurant, or if it's this new-ish DashMart. The only thing that I want you to care about and look for is this going to make me more money? This is a business for you on any side hustle app, and flat out, is this going to help you make more money? Going back to our example here, again, $10.50 for this example. Now, at the time of this request, it's basically 7 p.m. So it says deliver by 7:44. So you need to always think about that dollars to time ratio. How much am I going to make and how much time is this going to take? So what, 45 minutes for $10.50. So I'm always aiming for you and for myself here for $25 per hour, because flat out, I would not be necessarily against DashMarts just because it's a DashMart request. I'm in favor of anything that's going to allow me to make really $25 per hour plus. So if the pay makes sense, then I would say accept it, accept the DashMart requests. And if it doesn't, of course, decline. So if you got value in this video, definitely drop me a like. And you can also click or tap screen here for my newest video, as well as a video recommended for you. And I'll see you in the next one.